Hi everyone. So first of all, sorry for recording the video in this way. My name is Aman Asrani, and coming to the idea for GitLab AI Hackathon. So I am a software engineer at JustPay, which is a startup. So there we are building like a product with a team of 100 plus members. We every day push something new feature on the main branch. So one of the biggest pain point for me and my colleagues is that merge conflicts. So every day we push something, while PR get reviewed, we have to again resolve the merge conflict while rebasing. So this is the biggest pain point, and so here I built a flow which have 4 components. Conflict detector, which uses the GitLab Duo agentic platform tools like GitLab Bob Search, GitLab API, and so on, and like take the relevant context out of the project, and then it resolve the conflict. Second component is conflict resolver, which categorize the conflict in 5 categories, which you can see in the readme file. And then it validates if some conflict is missed, if validation pipeline is failed, and then finally it reports like if it is a which category, and if it creates an issue for to resolve this conflict if AI is unable to do so, or it resolves the conflict automatically. So it depends on the conflict type. Okay, so like for better understanding, let me show you the demo. So now I have created the two PR for demo. Like first one is
adding a caching layer for user service. So in the config file, it is changing the cache TTL. In user service, in the getUser function, it first checked if the user is in cache or not, and it added a new utility function. And another PR which are changing in the same file. Let me show you the PR, which is at rate limiting for API endpoints, right? So it is also changing in the config TTL line, and in the getUser in the same lines it added the rate limit check, right? And it added a new utility function. So let me merge one of the PR. So let me merge this. So as we know, in the 12th sum of your caching layer PR, it should show the conflicts. Okay, now let me trigger the flow. AI merge that, please resolve the merge conflict. Now a flow will get triggered. Now we will see the progress here. Now it will take around 4 to 5 minutes to depending on like how hard the conflict is to resolve. Let me come back after 2 minutes. Now you can see after the flow is completed, all conflict has been resolved. It combined both the features and the confidence is high. Now we can merge this PR. Merging. Sure. So that's how our feature works.
So I have shown you the quick demo how MergeGuard works, how it takes the relevant context from both the branches through 4-layer architecture, like 4 agents are there. So for you to test it out, I have created two small PRs in the same project, which are changing in the same function, validate email. So you can test it out how our MergeGuard decides and see previous commit history, see feature branch commit history. So please check it out. Thank you.